Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're doing well. So in this video I'll be sharing my experience about the LED headlights by Nighteye. So guys, I've been using these lights for about a month now. Had no issues, no heating issues whatsoever. I think these lights are way brighter than the stock lights. Now for the installation of these lights, I've had no issues as well. It's just a simple plug and play. I haven't had to amend any of the wiring as such. A few things to keep in mind. Firstly, I would say the warranty. Now if your bike is under warranty, you may just want to check whether you can install it or not. Most companies would ideally not allow you to do that. Now the other thing is the size. Let me explain that in detail. Okay, so let me just open this box. So this is the size of a normal bulb, and if you just happen to look at this, you can understand how big the LED bulb would be. So okay, so let me just explain this to you. So a normal bulb would fit inside this quite easily. With the LED, it's tending to push the entire headlight assembly this way upwards, so I'm not able to set this bulb. The high beam is fine because we still have a lot of space here, but with the low beam it is a challenge, at least on my bike. So that's one thing you may want to consider. Apart from it, I have no issues whatsoever. So since I'm unable to use the the high beam, I have installed these auxiliary lights. I just mounted it on a small bracket over here. So let the sun set here and the lights can take effect, and I'll show you what it looks like. So guys, let me turn on the light so that you can have a look at the brightness. Okay, so this is your low beam, that's your high beam. So this is what I was talking about earlier. Now if you look at the high beam, this is at its lowest setting right now. It cannot get any lower than this. So it may seem fine in the video, but when you are riding with a pillion, it definitely is of no use. It's only going to affect and cause a problem for oncoming traffic. So if this could have been a little lower, this would have been the perfect bulb. And as far as the aux lights are concerned, this is what I have. So it's kind of a combination of a high beam and a low beam, so I'm getting the best of both worlds there. So guys, if you are someone who commutes a lot at night, I would definitely recommend these bulbs, because visibility plays an important role when it comes to safety. And I'm not quite sure if the video is doing any justice or the camera is doing any justice, but these lights are much brighter than any stock lights. Now keep in mind that I'm riding without a pillion here, so this is as low as the high beam can get. With the pillion, this beam would be a lot more higher. So that's the only setback that I've had. But like I mentioned, this could be the problem only on my bike. And I've installed the aux lights, so it's not much of a hassle for me now. So guys, I have the aux lights turned on as well now. I think a pair of aux lights along with the Nighteye LED headlights seems to be the best combination. Now I have the link for the lights in the description box mentioned below. I hope you've liked this video, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you soon.